Hi, we ended here yesterday where I concluded that I will begin to uh, document here all the formulas that I have used uh, in terms of how I found out these numbers and how I scaled them all up. So here, first I pick these numbers 45.41 of sugar producing cost for per kg sugar. Then for the same kg of sugar, the cost increased from 45.41 to 47.9. Here this number got added, which is sugar cost plus profit. Then in this cost 47.9, tax amount was added, which was 4.07. When this tax amount was added in the total cost, it led to the numbers total cost plus tax, which is 51.97. It means initially the cost to produce 1 kg sugar costed PKR 45 rupees and 41 pesos, assuming it took them 10 kgs to produce 1 kg sugar. So price of 10 kg of sugarcane is equivalent to 45 rupees 41 pesos, and those 10 kgs of cane produced 1 kg of sugar. And when now this became the price of sugarcane, and when you add the cost and profit in it to make that 1 kg sugar by crushing the cane, by paying the salaries and utilities and all, so that cost is 2.49. When this is added to the cane cost, it makes the total cost 47.9. It means 47 rupees and 9 pesos is the total cost of making sugar, which include the cost of sugar cane as well. And then in that total cost, uh, you add the tax amount as well, which is 4.4 rupees and 7 pesos. When you add that tax amount in the total cost, you get total cost plus tax amount paid, and the end price becomes 51 rupees and 97 pesos, which actually becomes the ex mill price, the price at which mills tend to sell to middlemen, distributors, brokers, and all the other persons that does not involve direct customer. That is the understanding established till whatever I have read based on the literature and understood. So coming to the formulas here, so these were the main numbers uh, in reported in the report of 2018 April in sugar opinion. So 1 kg requires 45 rupees and 41 pesos, 47.9 total cost and 51.97 total cost plus tax. These were the main numbers, and then I tried to find out other numbers based on these highlighted blue numbers that I picked up from the report. So moving forward, I wanted to find out if 1 kg of sugar making cost 45 rupees 41 pesos, that is cost of 10 kgs cane. So how much would it cost to produce 4 kg of sugar? And that costed 181 rupees and 64 pesos. How we came on this number? What we did, since we had the base number 45.41 and it was equivalent to 1. So when you multiply 45.4, you get 181 rupees 0.64 pesos. Here, you simply apply the formula and you get this number. Similarly, to find out, to produce 10 kg of sugar, what will be the price of canes? So that price would be 454. How it is found out? You pick the 1 kg price of sugar producing cane required, and then you multiply it with the 10 kgs, the amount that you intend to find out about. So here we wanted to find out about the cost of 10 kgs of sugar. So we multiplied it here and we got this answer here. Now to find out what will be the cost of 100 kgs to produce sugar, so we are going to multiply that 1 kg cost 45.41 and you are going to multiply it with 100, and then we are going to get 4,541 rupees. That is the cane cost required to produce 100 kgs of sugar. Similarly, we found out, and how you're going to find out 4.54, that is 100 grams. So 1 kg means it's 1000. 1 kg means 1000 grams. So if 1 kg sugar costs 45.41 rupees, that means the cost of cane to produce the sugar, and 1 kg cane is equivalent to 1000 grams. So to find out, let's say, how many 100 grams of sugar would cost the cane price. So when you divide 1000 with 10, you get 100. Similarly, when you divide 45.41 with the 10, because we are assuming 45.41 here is equivalent to 1 kg and 1 kg is equivalent to 1000. So when we are going to divide this amount with 10, we are going to get 100 grams, which is equivalent to 0.1 kgs. So now we have that amount as well. So we are going to now scale it on these numbers as well. So this was the total cost. Now what we did here, the same concept is going to be applied here as well, but again we are going to pick the multiplication numbers the same as these. So we multiplied these numbers with this. Now we are going to multiply these numbers with these numbers, and we are going to keep the reference point these values here, such as this. So 47.9 was the cost. So what we are going to do here, we're to find out what will be the cost for 4 kgs of sugar, cost of cane to produce 4 kgs of sugar in quantity. Total cost including the cost and profit, here these numbers. So we are going to multiply that 1 kg total cost with the 4 kgs and we are going to get this number 191. Similarly, for 10 kgs, we want to find out what will be the cost of cane to produce 10 kgs of sugar. So we are going to multiply the same number with the 10 kgs and we are going to get 479 here. 479 rupees and 9 pesos. We're going to multiply with 10 and you're going to get 479. Similarly, we wanted to find out what will be the cost of cane for producing 100 kgs of sugar. So we did the same. We picked the price, the cost of cane to produce 1 kg of sugar, and we multiplied with the 100 kgs and we got this amount. Similarly, the same concept is going to be applied here, and this number also came because initially we found this by calculating divided by 10 for 100 grams. So for the next number, what we can do, we can simply multiply that 1 kg with the 0.10, which is equivalent to 0.1 kg. So we are going to multiply it when we are going to get the uh, producing cost of cane for producing 100 grams of sugar. Then that cost includes the sugar cost plus profit. So moving forward, the numbers here are going to were derived in the same manner like here. This was the 1 kg cost. To find out 10 kg, 4 kg, you multiply this 1 kg with the 4 and you get this amount. Similarly for 10 kgs and for the 100 kgs this amount. And for this, you're going to multiply 1 kg total cost plus tax amount with the 0.1 kgs or 100 grams of sugar. So this was it. I have made the table as well, which I said I would here down below. So this was at 4.75 and this was 4.54. And I'm going to discuss this tomorrow. I'm taking this a bit slow because this is quite technical and complex topic to understand with according to my opinion, my understanding. So let's just see if the notes we have completed all. So it says get a series of defining form numbers, scale up using formula that we have just discussed. When scaling on big numbers, add usual columns citing differences and reference numbers. Here we scaled here, so we had to add uh, we had to go on the big numbers here. Let's say all these are big numbers, and then you add visual columns. Let's say you color it a bit, and then you reference column numbers. So for each, let's say for this cost, you are going to add this reference number, and not so that you don't have to go all the way on this. I'm going to do this tomorrow, so inshallah. Thank you so very much.